FYI, Microsoft confirms KB4501375 could crash VPN services. First off, check if the Remote Access Connection Manager, RASMAN, service had stopped working and you received the error 0xC0000005 on your device. If so, check if you installed KB4501375 on your Windows 10, OS build 18362.207. Then, you may try one of these workarounds. 1. Set the value for the following group policy settings: group policy path, computer configuration / administrative templates / Windows components / data collection and preview builds / allow telemetry save policy setting, enabled and set to 1, basic, or 2, enhanced, or 3, full. 2. Set the following register. Value, subkey, hkey_local_machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows /data collection. Setting, allow telemetry. Type, reg_d word. Value, 1, 2, or 3. Note, if the remote Connection Manager service is not running after setting the group policy or registry key, you will need to manually start the service or restart the device. 3. Remove and block KB4501375 from reinstalling automatically. http://bit.ly/2dacn2m. How to temporarily prevent a driver update from reinstalling in Windows 10.